You're watching In Business, and now we put the focus on the Spice Group that has expressed an interest into venturing into the banking sector and will be applying for a new bank license as well. We're now joined by B.K. Modi, chairman of the Spice Group, to talk about those plans. Thanks for joining in, Mr. Modi. You've recently announced plans to apply for the banking license. What is your rationale behind this, and what really are the benefits do you see getting into the sector?
As you may be aware, that banking is going through a major change with the advent of mobile internet. I think a lot of internet banking has already started, and this trend is going to catch up even further. And we feel that in future, all banking will be done through net and also through mobile. And we have in that space already. We have been, in the mobile internet space. We make the device, we make the value-added service, and we are also in the retail. Plus, our company is also in the financial services. We have a public company in Bombay, and we are doing money transfer, other businesses. Our VAS company is already working with the State Bank of India and others to provide them necessary software for mobile banking. Plus, we do also the hardware in banking system. So we are quite a lot activities around banking. And we have been waiting for the right time to enter this sector, especially with the advent of 3G and 4G. I think we will be able to reach to the far areas of India through our new approach to banking, which we call smart banking.
Mr. Modi, so as I understand, your strategy is not to compete with the existing giant banks with a large physical branch presence, but to really focus more on the digital banking and the niche segment that you talk about with 3G and 4G?
You know, the banking will change, as I said. The large format of banking, which has been in the past, is going to also go through a change. It's already happening. So we will still have branches and we still have our offices all over the country. But, we will be more bringing new technologies, because there are disruptive technologies coming in banking, which will change the way people do bank in the past. And I think India will jump technologies. We don't have to go through a normal process of this because internet is going to be jumping and straight going to mobile internet rather than going through the fixed internet. So we will be using the technology jump as we did when we entered the mobile sector, because we were the first people to start mobile service in the country. At that time, you had only fixed line systems in the country for telephony. So with the help of Android and with the help of the new systems and apps which are now developing all over the world, we'll bring them in India. We are already working in Singapore, which is our headquarters, to make sure that we get the right technology.
So, Mr. Modi, really looking at that first mover advantage when it comes to the technology part of banking. But, sir, are you confident of meeting the requirements on the opening of these branches in these unbanked rural areas? Because you're focusing on a specific segment, but the RBI are quite clear on the focus and thrust on priority sector lending and the branch openings.
Yeah, we have already studied this in detail, and we have already put a structure in place because this requires, various segmentation of how much percentage shareholding the promoters can hold, how much has to be. We have NBFC already in the group. We have actually, public limited companies. So we meet all the requirement which has been given by the government, and we have already put a structure in place with the help of KPMG. So we are very confident that we meet all the requirements, and we will meet more than the requirement, because we'll meet more customers in the rural areas and in the small cities than the normal banking people will be able to do. So we will be moving much faster than what is being projected.
So lastly, the obvious question one might want to ask is, will you be looking at acquiring any smaller, older private sector banks, or are you willing to go completely the organic way, which could be the harder way to go for this operation?
At present, the plan we are thinking is organic, because we are not following the old method of banking. We will be able to give a better deposit rate and better loan rates because our cost structure will be different than what the present banking system is. And this is nothing new. This is already happening in US and Europe and Japan. So what we are talking is something which is quite relevant in other parts of the world. And naturally, we are a technology company. We have always worked with the latest technology. And so as we enter banking, we'll be using the latest banking technology.
All right, Mr. Modi, all the best for your new ventures. Hope you get what you're achieving for. That's BK Modi, chairman of Spice Global there. They're betting on a big banking license as the RBI opens up the floodgates for companies to come out and actually open up banks. But the focus is all on the RBI policy after a short...